KTCC presents Karnataka Business Awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next category will go for most innovative construction, interior design and renovation firm. The award goes for SVE Group. SVE Group. Okay, these people are from WTS. WTS. We will request SVE Group to be with us, but this is WTS. Okay, already you have got SVE Group on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Matansala, Jorana Chappale Mulak Abhinandanagalu. Let's put our hands together. Let's congratulate for SVE Group for the category of most innovative construction, interior design and renovation firm.